Okay, so welcome back to this course. So in this video, I will add Stripe in my project to handle the payments. So I have already created account on the shop. Oh, sorry, not shop yet. I have already created account on the Stripe, and now I am on my dashboard. So I have freshly created this account just 5 to 6 minutes ago with the new email. So when after registering your account and verifying your account, you will get on this home tab. You will get your API test API keys. This is the publishable key and this is the secret key. And if you want to launch this project in the production, actually you want to receive the original payments, then you have to activate your Stripe account by providing the additional information like the bank details and whatever they ask, and then they will give you the live API keys. But right now we are in testing mode. I just need these two keys, that is publishable key and the secret key. Okay, so I am on this shop and now these are my API keys. Okay, so let's simply go back to our VS Code, close this front end part, close this folder, go to backend. In the config file, let's put in our API keys. So let's put that right here. So first of all, I have to bring in the Stripe secret key. Okay, and then the Stripe API key. Okay, simply go back and copy this publishable key. Okay, so this PK test and this key, and this is our API key. Put that here. And then we have a secret key, so simply go back and copy this secret key. So copy the secret key, go back and put that right here. Simply save it, and let's actually close this one. So close it, create a new controller file that is called payment controller. So payment controller.js. Alright, first of all, let's bring in our catch async errors a long time after. So require it from the $/middleware/catch async errors. And then actually we also have to install the Stripe. So I go to my terminal and cd to the home page and simply type here npm I Stripe to install Stripe on my backend. Remember, I am installing this Stripe in my backend in the root folder. Okay, so install this Stripe and then we will move on. Okay, so it is installed successfully. So I simply go back. Let's first of all import here Stripe. So const Stripe equals to required Stripe, and then after Stripe I have to pass in the secret key. So process.env.stripe secret key. Okay, so I have to pass in the secret key here. Then I have to use this API key on the front end. So I will pass this key on the front end also, but in my next videos. And then let's handle the payments. So put in here process Stripe payments, and that will go to /API/v1/ the payment, then /process. Okay, so first of all, exports dot process payment equals to catch async errors, and then the async function request response and the next also. And first of all, let's actually create here const payment intent equals to await Stripe dot payment intent dot create, and you have to pass in two things, or you can pass multiple things, but I have to pass only two things right now, which is the amount So what is the actual amount that we are paying? That is request.body.amount, and we will pass it from the front end. Okay, and then we also have to pass here the currency, and the currency is the definitely USD in this case. Okay, and then after that we also have here metadata. So metadata that will contain an object. So we only have to pass here the integration check, integration underscore check, and this is the accept a payment. Okay, and then after that simply res dot status of 200 dot JSON. So success is true, and I have to pass in here the client secret. So client secret, that will be payment intent dot client secret, right? So that's it. That is catching errors. So first of all, Stripe has a property of payment intent, and we will create here new intent. We have to pass here amount, which we will pass from the front end, then the currency, which is USD, and the metadata we have to pass in here integration check, that will be accept a payment. Okay, and after accepting the payment from this payment intent, we have to pull out the client key, and now we will pass this client key to the front end and check that the client key. Okay, so we will pass a client key from the back process payment. Okay, so route is slash payment slash process is authenticated, and then this is the function process payment. Simply save it, and now go to my app.js, and let's bring in here the payment. So payment, okay, and put in here the payment. Simply save it, and that's it. Alright, so now we are done on our backend. We have successfully created this route. So in the next video, first of all, I have to send this API key, this one. I have to pass this API key to the front end, okay? Because I have to use this API key on the front end, not on the back end. On the back end, we only have to use the secret key, and then we have to use the API key on the front end, right? So you can also put that on the front end, but I want to simply send this API key from the back end, right? So I will send this API key in my next video.